Alright guys, so we're here at Pasadena Ferrari Concours and there are around 100 Ferraris here. It's kind of drizzling today, but respect for these owners for bringing these cars out still. So let's just walk around and check out what cars there are. Alright, so a couple more Ferraris. Never gets old with these 430s. Here we got the 12Cilindri and the SP3 as well as the Competizione. Oh, David Lee's car. That's a nice camera car. Okay, so we just talked to the owner. So this car may look like a Ferrari F40, but it's actually a 355 underneath it. The chassis is 355, the engine is 355. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so this car threw us off at the beginning because it says 355 right here, but man, what a nice build. I haven't seen anything like that here. Right here we got a 430 Scuderia, 488, Portofino, some usual stuff. 360 CS, yep. Another yellow Scuderia, classic Ferraris. Oh, look at this. Boom. He just crossed out the don't, so gotta touch the car. It's a future car guy right there. Alright, we got another SP3. Nice looking color. And a 12-Cilindri white TR. And another F40. SF90. Biggest depreciation Ferrari right there. Another Scuderia. Alright, so we teleported here to the InnoZTech meet. White body, Liberty Walk 720S, and a Huracan STO. We got a yellow Speciale. That's the car I would take. Speciale Aperta. Alright, so we're doing a video shoot with my friends, Huracan Evo, driving the Range Rover, he's driving the Huracan. I got my friends strapped up in the back.
And full gas.
We got the Range Rover and the Huracan, the camera car, looking nice. here at a night meet. Look at the license plate. And look at the license plate on that one as well. Me too sexy. Alright, forget about freaking drag racing takeovers. This is the car meet now. Foot race. Alright. Today's video is sponsored by EAFC. So they sent me this car jump starter to review. Let's check it out. So inside the box, it comes with this pouch. Very nice packaging. Let's open it up. Alright, let's see what this jump starter looks like. Alright, so this is the jump starter. It is a 2030 amp starter. So it tells you the percentage of the battery. And then it also comes with the jump starter connectors, as well as the charging cables. Pretty neat. So yeah, all you need is just connect the jump starting cable to this battery pack right there. Alright, so once you connect, you see the lights start flashing. So when you connect this with your car, it also shows you the amps of the battery of your car. And you can not only jump start your car, but also you can use the flashlight over here. So all you need to do is just long press this button right here, and boom, there's the light. And then you press one more to change the mode, and see, this is the strobing light. You can click one more to change the mode as well, and then you can turn it off. This jump starter, you can jump start any cars, most of the cars out there, or the diesel pickups, motorcycle as well. And you can even jump start the yacht. Also, you can charge your phone, your iPads, your laptops. So yeah, there are USB-C cable ports and USB-A cable ports as well. So yeah, overall, this is a pretty nice product, and I highly recommend you guys get this thing. I'll put a link in the description below on where to buy this, and thank you for your support. Oh. The VTEC kicking. Free car parts.
Oh, I like that word. Carbon tokens. There you go. Congrats on the win.
In that shoe too.
No, but he's in Uggs though.
He's in Uggs? Bro.
I have to give everyone a chance.
Nice.
Negotiate. Who's gonna take it? Alright, the next question.
He got one part of the headlight. He got one part of the headlight.
Bro, what you want to do? Want to flip a coin or what?
Respect to that guy. He just gave it to him. Nice looking R33 Skyline over here. Pretty clean.